friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. For this Diwali festival season, I brought once again for you the cotton silk varieties from Kesaria Royal Rich Silk Department segment, where you can buy these collections approximately from 800 rupees to 1100 rupees. I have not shared the actual price, but today I'm going to share the 4 types of different designs with the color charts. Keep watching this video, subscribe the channel quickly before getting out of stock, add into your business resellers. If you want to tie up as a dealer, wholesaler, as a starting business, you can contact Kesaria Manufacturers, which is located at Surat, which is Kamila Darwaza Signal Point, Millennium Textile Building 1, which is approximately from railway station 10 minutes, from airport it takes 30 minutes to reach. So the number scrolling on the screen, please call our online team and you can do video calling purchase also for this Diwali. So I have a 4 type ranges of designs and collections with the color charts, 800 to some 1100 approximately. I'll start with the Kadi base, the beautiful cotton silk varieties. So here is the beautiful, the heart based, and you have a beautiful like shawl type. It connects a shawl design, but it's a sari. I'll show the cream cotton. Cream cotton is the coat, navy blue. You have a magenta, you have a purple, you have a light grey shade, and you have a kesar color, and you have a Rama green. So Rama green, I'll just show you the sari, how it looks. This is the pattern, which exactly looks like a shawl, but it is a cotton silk sari. The cream cotton is the code. So friends, you can buy these varieties with the color charts and you can share for this Diwali festival celebrations with your family around your circle. Next pattern, I'll show you the small butta weaving work of the floral based. You have a pista green, you have a grey, you have a lemon yellow, you have a sky blue ocean color, light cream color, and you have a rose milk color. So I'll just show you the sari, which is a beautiful Bananumati cotton is the code. So lovely sari, these collections, this is the sari Bananumati cotton, and I'll show you the magenta with combination of the pallu with the fancy tassels, lovely sari, and in this you have a lovely color designs, as I told you, the 1, 2, pista, grey, lemon yellow, ocean blue, and the cream color. So 3, 4, 5, 6 color charts. So these are the very range of varieties. Next saree, which is a sunflower base, the matte look mud color combinations, where you can see over here the mehendi dark green with the rama green color combination, with the ocean blue or grey with black color combination, dark cream with mud color combination, you have a light pista green with you have a green color combination, you have a dark onion pink with maroon, light maroon shade combination. I have a peach color with dark maroon combination. I'll just show you one sari, very pretty. This sari, which is code is Sanju cotton. Sanju cotton is the code. Lovely sari design, I'll show you. This is the pattern of sari, and you have a brocade pattern, design gap borders like, and you have a, this is the pallu. This is a pallu. Pattu Mahalakshmi Narayana Pattu based pallu you can see over here. These type of collections you can purchase with set to set. Next saree, if I talk about, so one of the Odisha based patola based sarees, which comes in the creamish color, which is Aarti Ridhima cotton. Aarti Ridhima cotton is the code. In this you have a dark purple with cream, dark bottle green with cream, magenta with cream, maroon with cream, and rama green with cream. I'll just show you one sari, beautiful sari with a cream color with rama green pattern. This is a patola pallu you're watching here, one of the Odisha's famous sari, which they regularly celebrate with their festival occasions. This is the pallu, and this is the body part. You can see the temple based butta with the borders, which is highlighted with the fancy tassels. These are all color charts. And if I talk about the packing, you have a zipper package with the multiple varieties, and I'll just show you one catalog based. One catalog based here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. This is Aarti Ridhima, I've showed you. This is the pattern of sarees, the color charts, and every saree you have a beautiful box packing. One box I'll show you. This is the box where we have seen the cream cotton, Ridhima cotton sarees. Lovely box for this Diwali with a peacock beautiful pista green color combinations. Every saree you will find out this photocopies also, all these multiple varieties of color sections, 6 colors, 7 colors you can find out over here. All the different designs, different colors or different packing based on the South, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Punjab, Gujarat, Maharashtra, entire the world, they are celebrating the Diwali festival. You can also celebrate with this silk cotton varieties around your budget, customer friendly, some 800 to 1100 varieties. 1100 price around. I have showed you the 4 designs, 800 to 1100. To know the actual price, just call our sales online team. Video calling, WhatsApp call you can do easily, quickly. COD, just take your mobile. The collections you can reach at your home. So hope you enjoyed this collection. Subscribe the channel. You can do online purchase and you can visit purchase if you want to do. You can come before doing advance tickets and you can reach to Kesaria reception point. You can find out, you can based on your language, sales executives they will provide you. So no need to worry about the guidance. They will guide you, support you with the small budget or the high budget. You can start, or you want to add your collections with your business. Kesaria will have a boutique varieties or this home based business, a shop, all things at one place. So hope you enjoyed these collections. Let me know in the comments box your city and your name please. I'll share you, I'll give you surely reply video. So hope you'll enjoy and keep supporting me. Share the link with this everyone where everyone can see if they want to really have a clothing business. So keep supporting me. Next video we'll meet friends. Until then, take care. Bye bye.